Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Alim Maths Blog. So student, today our question is if x is equal to 2 plus square root of 3, then find the value of x to the power 6 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 2 plus 1 over x to the power 3. So student, today in this video I will tell you how to find the value of this algebraic expression from the given equation x is equal to 2 plus square root of 3. So student, our given algebraic equation is x is equal to 2 plus square root of 3. So student, to find the value of this algebraic expression from this equation, so we have to find the value of x plus 1 over x from this equation, then we are able to find the value of this algebraic expression. So student, the value of 1 over x will be 1 over 2 plus root over of 3. To simplify this algebraic expression, so we have to rationalize the denominator of this fraction. So that's why we have to multiply numerator and denominator of this fraction by the conjugate of 2 plus square root of 3. So student, the conjugate of 2 plus square root of 3 is 2 minus square root of 3. So we can write from this fraction 1 into 2 minus square root of 3 over 2 plus square root of 3 into 2 minus square root of 3. So after that we can write from this fraction 2 minus square root of 3 over. So student, to simplify the denominator of this fraction, so we have to apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So student, according to this formula, you can write from the denominator 2 square minus root over of 3 whole square. So now we can write in here 2 minus square root of 3 over 2 square, that means 4, minus the square root of 3 is 3. So now we can write from this fraction 2 minus square root of 3 over 1, that is 2 minus square root of 3. So student, the value of 1 over x will be 2 minus square root of 3. So the value of x is 2 plus square root of 3 plus, in the place of 1 over x we have to write 2 minus square root of 3. So now we can cancel plus square root of 3 and minus square root of 3 in this algebraic expression. So if you add 2 with 2, then you get 4. So student, the value of x plus 1 over x will be 4. So student, to find the value of this algebraic expression, so we have to apply the distributive property. So student, according to distributive property, we can write from this algebraic expression x to the power 6 over x to the power 3 plus x to the power 4 over x to the power 3. So in the place of third term we can write x to the power 2 over x to the power 3 plus, in the place of fourth term we can write 1 over x to the power 3. So student, after that we can write from this algebraic expression x to the power 3 plus x plus 1 over x plus 1 over x to the power 3. So now we can arrange this algebraic expression. So we have to write in here x to the power 3 plus 1 over x to the power 3 plus x plus 1 over x. To find the value of this algebraic expression, so we have to apply the formula a to the power 3 plus b to the power 3 is equal to a plus b whole to the power 3 minus 3ab into a plus b. So according to this formula, we can write from this algebraic expression x plus 1 over x whole to the power 3 minus, in the place of 3ab we have to write 3 into x into 1 over x into x plus 1 over x, plus again we have to write x plus 1 over x. So now we can put the value of x plus 1 over x in this algebraic expression. So now we can write 4 to the power 3 minus, we can cancel x from numerator and denominator in second term. So now we have to write in here 3 into the value of x plus 1 over x is 4. So again we have to write 4. So plus again we have to write the value of x plus 1 over x in the place of third term. So we have to write in here 4. So now we can write in here 4 to the power 3, that is 64, minus 3 into 4, that is 12, plus 4. So now we can write from this algebraic expression 64 plus 4 minus 12. So 64 plus 4, that is 68, minus 12. So student, if you subtract 12 from 68, then you get 56. So student, this is our final answer. The value of this algebraic expression will be 56. So this is our final answer. So student, our answer is complete. If you like this video and if you like this trick, so please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.